Hey there, future scientists! Are you ready to blow your classmates' minds at the next science exhibition? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a winning science exhibition model that's sure to impress your teachers and friends. Let's get started. First things first, you need a great idea. Think about something that excites you. Maybe it's renewable energy, robotics, or even a simple physics principle like Newton's laws. Once you've got your idea, it's time to plan it out. Draw a rough sketch of your model. This helps you visualize what you need and where everything will go. Make a list of all the materials required. You want to be organized because nothing's worse than scrambling for parts last minute. Now, let's talk about building. Start with the base of your model. For instance, if you're making a wind turbine, a sturdy wooden or cardboard base would be perfect. Secure everything firmly. You don't want your model falling apart during the exhibition. Use glue, tape, or screws, whatever works best for your materials. Next, move on to the fun part: assembling the components. If you're doing a wind turbine, attach the blades to the rotor. Ensure they're evenly spaced and secure. For wiring, follow the circuit diagram you've drawn. Always double-check your connections. A small mistake could mean your model won't work. Okay, so your model is built, but we're not done yet. It's time to make it look amazing. Paint it, add labels, and make a neat display board explaining how it works. Use bright colors and clear fonts. Remember, people should understand your project at a glance. Now practice your presentation. Know the science behind your model inside and out. Be ready to answer questions. A good tip is to explain it to a friend or family member first. If they understand it, you're golden. On the day of the exhibition, stay calm and confident. Set up your model carefully and make sure it's working. Greet the judges with a smile and give them your best explanation. Remember, enthusiasm is contagious. If you're excited about your project, others will be too. And there you have it, your recipe for a winning science exhibition model. Remember, the key is to be organized, make it look great, and know your stuff. Good luck, and may the best project win. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome science tips. See you next time.